give Adrian heart failure. But we say Father's Day, babe. Oh, wait there. If you have baby, if you make baby on Father's Day, right? I forgot to check my little calendar. Because I know if I make babies, you know. I don't need to leave my out for make babies, alright?
Oh my God, boys will be boys, right?
And I got a lot of them. I got a lot of them. Yes.
What the hell knows?
So guys, you've had a birthday today. You're safe. If you're seeing that same clothes again, that's because we own this clothes. Okay. We own this clothes. Anyways, so I was in the car a while ago, right? He's trying to tell me what him likes. Him like this specific thing. So I said, alright, fine.
Clothes, we're talking about.
It's going to be clothes.
Yeah.
So I said, alright, fine. We're going to get one of them clothes in time for Father's Day. Right? Someone said, so babe, what do you want to become another father on Father's Day? You said, wait a minute.
That's a plan for me.
You said,
you will want me
to read it? It's the Lord Jesus. You start see Adrian, face like him stress out immediately. Baby, stress out. No, sir. One more carry.
Wait, a car, no,
Kyra. Probably have something going there. I don't know. Probably need to ask Jaden because Jaden seems to be very big. Jaden wants to, you know. So, Uno met the baby, Jaden will name the baby. But I'm not too, no, if I go and listen to Jaden because Jaden have some names there. But, you know, we say, babe, you say so? Kyra? But so nice him already named the baby Kyra. And it's not a boy, you know, it's a girl.
She want a girl, so, you know, naturally.
But so I say, you're not too stressed out, but if you're ready for it too, man. Yes, I go on apprehensive, I go on and say you don't want it.
Yeah.
But you want it. Yeah. Go on and say, stop, go on and say you don't want it. You want it.
You know, John. Go on like, you don't notice, and you read the time, say we need notice. Yeah, so guys, we'll come off our shoot, you know?
Yeah.
Guys, you might see that video here before the other shoots. We wanna see, we have some exciting content coming up, guys.
Yeah.
You see me, I say some tours, some real estate tours.
Yeah.
You know, we are link up with some what I call it now? Some realtors and you know? Yeah, so just stay tuned for them things, guys. You see me?
Yep.
Yeah, man.
Yep, most definitely. But my day I give Adrian heart failure. But we say Father's Day, babe. Oh, wait there. If you have baby, if you make baby on Father's Day, right? I forgot to check my little calendar. Because I know if you make babies, you know. I don't need to leave my out for make babies, alright? So, alright.
Are you or me?
I know you alone make baby. Oh, what is? I know you alone make baby. Let me tell you, I did all the work. I mean, can I hear this? I do all the work, of course. Let me tell you.
Guys, you see how you look? The story's on one-sided. You do all the work. You don't need me then. You don't need me then.
I didn't do all the work, but I did a lot of work. Okay?
Okay.
So, I planned the week. I ensured I found out when is the best week to have baby. The best 5 days. You have to know that. The best 5 days to have baby. Went on my vitamins. Went on my nutriments. Just to make sure that my body full and ripe. So when the egg is released, it's released on time and it is nice and ready.
Guys, to be honest, to start taking vitamin them from probably a year. But how long before actually? We decided to say, yeah, we're still ready to start. No, let's.
We said that, you know, could I have one baby, no. So if I would say that initial conversation, then me already start off on the vitamins. Because me not carry no don't pick up. Not carry no sick pick up. I carry healthy babies come. So we already starting. So you see, when we actually said, alright, we're going to try next month. So next month, like this month was the next month, we are start next month. Next month we're gonna have a baby. We're gonna make a baby next month. I was already on my vitamins and my minerals, so I would recommend that you go on them for at least 3 months. But I always say 3 months before. Go on the multivitamin. You can't leave out folic acid. You need your folic
important,
acid.
guys.
So you need to go to your doctor and get your folic acid, right? Get your 5 milligram folic acid and go on every day. But yeah, so it's a Father's Day, Lily.
Yeah, see.
So when have you really come?
So it's Father's Day, what, June?
Father's Day is. Oh, we have one of the Kyrie. A June.
June of Father's Day.
A June of Father's Day. So we have one of the Kyrie.
June.
No, we
July,
can't
August,
have 50, we can't have someone's birthday in a 1 month. We stress out.
March, so 9 months, carry on March.
Ask one of the Kyrie. We can't have one more Kyrie, man. I'm going to stress out after 2 birthdays.
So yeah, and Mother's Day at the same time too. That rough.
And Father's Day.
And Jaden's birthday.
We have baby later part of
Alright,
the year.
so guys, Kyrie and March. And if a Father's Day the thing that go on, you see me? The other baby would have born March again.
Yes, Kyrie birthday again.
And then Jaden's birthday and May.
So baby,
And Mother's Day and May.
baby, that means you're on Father's Day already to make Kyrie last year.
It looks so,
I have to look back on the calendar.
Yeah.
Because we actually had like, you know, with a good panel.
Yeah.
We know the week and everything.
Yeah. By the way, guys, we're gonna look some food shortly, and tomorrow, we're gonna look for a relative them down at Trelawney, guys. So we can stay tuned for that. You see what I say?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. We're gonna go down there, go have a blast. You know what I mean? So, yeah, man. So anyway, we're hungry bad, because it's been a long day, guys.
So we're not planning the baby again.
Yeah, well, we want to have a baby.
We need to have baby later on down in the year, probably October.
Oh, by the way, this same video, just stay tuned, guys, and I will see the Trelawney. Some of the Trelawney trip. Watch them people that come up and with.
Yeah, road getting
People that can't drive a road, you know, watch them.
For them and them baby, them want to go home too.
Right. But though them a drive, they might not reach home to the baby. Oh, Jesus. Anyway, back to the baby talk.
Yeah. We're gonna plan it again, rewind and come again. So Father's Day now work because we can't have them having the same birthday. You know? Too much stress that. What week will be easy? I don't know. Anyways, we don't know. We don't know. I think I got pass on the Father's Day or something. Baby making.
Yeah, because that care everything that jumble up. Everything that jumble up right there, so. You know?
Listen to we are people. We're just talking. But what I think you can really have baby on Father's Day. I never have another Kyrie or Kyra, as you say.
Conceive on Father's Day.
Conceive on Father's Day.
Because to be honest, guys, if she buy that piece of clothes out there and tell her some like.
Okay, so.
No, we don't tell him what. We literally I drive past a girl while I go in the streets and I'm going to be you know say. We like to the girl in them thing there, you see me?
So, we don't know. We think we have to probably try all up on Father's Day. Stay tuned, guys.
By the way, guys, I want to know. Alright, it's a kind of a touchy topic in a way. Like for the man them. I mean, we are human being and we have eyes and all of that. So we just want to know, like, when you're in the streets with a lady and you see a woman where you admire, like she look nice. What you do like you don't see, tell me how you approach it. More here in the comments how you do when you don't see a woman in the streets want to like, or see how them dress, or you know, what you do.
So ladies,
let us hear.
Ladies, likewise, because we don't have ice, right? We're not in the streets. And look, let me see Adrian face now. In the streets, and you see a guy walking past that you like. What do you say? What do you do? Do you like, go the other way? Ignore? Or do you like, babe? Do you see that sexy stud? Is that weird?
Sexy stud. That's so like one lesbian.
Oh, no, Shanika tell me that. No, Shanika is my sister. Shanika tell me that them call lesbian stud nowadays.
Then I stud them, babe. I stud them.
What's a stud?
That.
A lesbian?
Them take on that term for themselves.
Oh, jeez. When you know me used to studs being for males.
It is, but then take it on for themselves. You know, in another world we live in, guys, you can be whatever you want to be.
In them mind.
You can be whatever you want to be.
But you are a specific thing. You are one specific thing. Like, you can't change that, my love. Hush. But you can't. In your minds, you can.
Yeah, that's very controversial. It's very
controversial. But it's true. Anyways, so guys, what wanna do? Do you say, you know, babe, I would love to see you. Do you say like, babe, buy one or something? No? I love to see no one in the yard. Or do you like, babe, you see that girl that walk with the big bottom? Like, are you one of those men that will nug your lady and nudge your lady and say, no, look, what about the boss? Like, are you one of those people that will be like, Jesus Christ, look the other direction, okay? You know, your woman I look from.
You know what some man do, you know, some man I don't look, you know.
I don't look?
Some man I don't look.
So what do you do?
What do I do?
What do you do?
Well, it all depends. I have several approaches. One of them, I'm going to be direct to come here today and I say, Ray, this was like a while ago, guys. Like, literally say it to her. Say, yo. Yeah, this is the girl. You saw her?
No, I didn't.
You never see her?
But I saw them selling, but I didn't see what she was wearing.
Okay.
But you did describe it.
Yeah, man. So,
yeah.
Look at you.
Is it warm?
Yes.
It feel nice?
Yes.
Yeah? Carry on going there too? Guys, are rainy day today, you know? Is it? We would have to come down to the pool. We had to come.
Hey.
Yeah, you wet me up.
Yeah,
you wet me up, boy. I want you, boy. Hey, boy. Oh, God. Yeah, hold on. I'm going to test that thing there. I don't know the height of the depth of that thing there, you know.
I can just find out.
No.
I'm
up here, so. Don't find out, please. Oh, Jesus.
Come this way.
I can just find out.
Because I don't want to I don't want to go in that in my clothes, you know. So, come this way.
Why are you biting mommy?
Carry.
Why are you biting mommy?
Carry, boy.
Carry, stop.
Carry, boy. Hey, say hello. Say hi. No one hot. You no one hot. It's shallow.
Oh, I'm adventurous.
Look how far him reach.
And him gone down there with nobody.
Lord God, you understand? Ah, boy.
Him don't know the danger, you know.
Watch him. Yeah. The guys are out here in Trelawney, is it? You know? Just come visit family. You know? Yes. Say hi. Jaden said him want take a swim, so we just brought him around, you know? See me.
Harry wants to go in the water, but no. Sorry. If it was a bit earlier in the day and sunny, then I would have, but no, baby. Sorry. But you see, Carrie's getting so big that stuff like this, he's interested in doing big boy stuff, like going in the pool with Jaden. Jaden going in the pool. Oh, and him and Jaden, they're on a ramping spree. Like, they were always like playmates before, but this is ramping. I'm not playing this, a ramping.
Yeah.
Ramping.
Serious ramping.
Because you must hear Carrie and make nice, and the liver and nice, and the house to them to be here. What's that?
Watch
babe.
Oh my God. Boys will be boys, right?
Oh boy.
Boys will be boys.
And I got a lot of them. I got a lot of them. Yes.
What to go in your nose?
Yes.
Jaden, dive off my nose and stop him breath. Oh my God. It's a drizzle again, you know.
Yeah.
We're gonna go back around.
No.
Yes.
No.
Carry boy.
Stop biting.
No biting at mommy.
Stop biting. We can go there. No. Mommy says no. Mommy says no. Whatever mommy says goes, okay? Rule number 1. What mommy says goes.
Yep. Trelawney, guys. The north coast. So the sea just out there. You know, Falmouth Pier is somewhere that way. Yeah, somewhere that way is the Falmouth Pier, guys. Yep. Yep. You have a lush lawn and everything. Yep. So Jay, just 5 minutes I never go around here?
No.
Yes.
10 minutes. 10 minutes.
There's a light drizzle, you know, so I have to go around before.
Guys, look.
Are you seeing this?
What happened? Yeah, now the water I want to go, yes? Kyrie.
You know, they'll quite
This
probably
weekend?
haven't stretched our engines in a while and gone to frolic in a while. So we need to do it.
So what is this? We're many miles away from home. What is this?
That is true. That is true. But we need to go for a day in the sun. We need to go get a tan. Right now we have rose color. Come. What's your...
God. Kyrie, we're going to the pool.
Yeah.
Kyrie. Kyrie. Can I have the hat, please? Can I have the hat, please? Come, give it to me. Come on, give it to me. You're not giving it to me? Come. Come, Kyrie. Where is he going? Where are you going? Come. Come. Where are you going? Come this way. Come. Come. Come.
Come and take it out your mouth.
Out your mouth. No hand in mouth.
Yeah. I mean, you have to be ambitious and you have to think outside the box. Don't say it cannot be done. We need to
Carrie, why are you making a racket?
try and find a way.
Carrie, stop it. Alright, come.
Yeah, you're chungy. Some.
Ouch. In bumpy mouth. Ouch.
I'm sorry.
Carrie, have a second yourself before you do stuff like that. So babe, I want to know. What is your ultimate desire in terms of place to live?
Place to live?
Ultimately, yeah.
Ultimately, I don't want an extremely big house because I have small children and I don't want it to be a case where everybody in their own room and you don't have that family bond. I want it to be a big enough house that we can have our space and be comfortable, but not too big. I don't want a mega mansion. No.
Okay.
I want something nice, good size, but I don't want it to be too extreme.
Alright, so let me ask
I want
you.
it to have a lot of amenities. So I want.
So it's a commune, so you're rather to live. So your ideal place to live is like a gated complex?
A gated complex. My ideal place to live is a gated complex because I
Okay.
think it has a lot more security and it kind of encourages you to. Okay, so it's a bit miserable because I had an accident.
Just a little accident a while ago.
But I think being in a gated community adds a extra layer of security that I really appreciate. I would want a pool, but I think I'd want like a personal pool. A pool at my house versus a community pool. Community pools are fine, don't get me wrong, you know. It's good. But I think the ultimate step up is having your own personal pool, want a jacuzzi, more my bathroom supposed to sort out.
I know,
I
babe.
want a nice tub with jets
Yeah.
that I can get my regular soaps.
I can tell you a secret.
Yeah.
I'd rather to build on my own land, someplace.
Someplace?
Yeah.
Well, we can
That's my for me. That's like the ideal thing.
We
Of
can
course,
do that.
I just said not too big of a mansion. Maybe a 4-bedroom house. You know,
Well, in
4-bedroom.
well, in that case, we
probably
have to,
probably four baths. You know, of course I'll have our bossy bathroom. You get me? I say?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, definitely, and like a private pool like this. You know, yeah, because you can.
How
Yeah.
big do you want that land to be?
How big?
Come, we can go and look, you know. We can go and look, you know. How big do you want it to be? Like, what's the view that you require in this land?
Yeah, maybe 1/2 acre.
Half acre?
Probably about 1/2 acre. I mean, yeah, probably around 1/2 acre or just 1/3 of an acre. But now I tell you, now I say 1/2 acre. What did I say? Half? Sorry.
You say half.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, but I want to be like either half or maybe
At least a quarter.
2/3. But more than
2/3.
quarter. More than quarter.
Okay.
Yeah, more than quarter. Because I want a nice garden, of course. You see me? A nice garden
Yeah, like
area.
that
See,
nice
yeah, look at
outside
this. Look at
area.
this. Look at this.
Where you can have your
So you have this-
pond and stuff like that.
You have your pool and your garden, you know? You have a nice little area where, of course, you know, you can, you know, outdoor recreational area, like a motor court and them little vibe there.
True.
Yeah, me like that. I like that.
I like that. I like that. I like that. So
Yeah.
those you're doing 142 these names, you know? I'm put Carrie and in front of me because mosquito love to attack Carrie. I don't know why they like biting him more than they like biting other people. I think it's because it's a baby and they have the innate sense to bam, get off me. I'm gonna step by it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.